اسمي علاء أحمد إسماعيل من محافظة نينوى. جيت على هنا معالجة للفقرات، والحمد لله تمت العملية بنجاح.
His name is like Alaa Ahmed Ibrahim from Nainawa, from Iraq, and he came for treatment in India, like for surgery in the spine. And شنو بعد عندك يعني مشاكل كانت قبل؟
مشاكل كانت 5 فقرات عندي، ورجلي اليسار خدر، والحمد لله وصلت الهند وشدوا لي 6 براغي دكتور بالهند. وهسه الحمد لله صحتي زينة، ما أشكي من أي آلام ولا أي وجع من ناحية الفقرات.
Actually, he came from Iraq, and he said he has like 5-level problem in the back. And when we did the MRI here, it was like 2-level, and we did fixation by Dr. Puneet Girdhar, and the pain has been gone, everything, the numbness which is in the left leg, it was too much numbness and pain, and he say he's okay and fine.
أشكر الدكتور بونيد على إجراء العملية، وتمت العملية بنجاح، وأشكر المستشفى وكادر المستشفى وكذلك المضمدين المضمدات على العناية مالتهم.
Actually, he is thankful for Dr. Puneet Girdhar, and he's saying like he did like excellent surgery, and now all the pain has been removed, and even the numbness which is in the leg. And he's thanks also for the hospital and the sisters and all who's working, the staff, and everything was amazing.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.